Sorry, I got cut off. So the last thing I said was that you can create your own Blue or you can find a lot that they already have. So when you pick your Blue then you can pick a game. So here's an example of some of the games that they have. They're all really fun. Some of them are called Fishing Frenzy. Basically, you're fishing, a gold quest, you can steal gold from someone else, crypto hack, you have to hack them. So they're all different, they're all fun. Depending on what you pick, if the student gets the correct answer, they can play whatever game we picked. And if they got the wrong answer, they have to wait for the next question. They wait a few seconds. So the goal of this is to get the correct answers. You can host a game or assign it as homework. You can select a certain amount of time that you want to play for. So if you want to do like a quick one for 4 or 5 minutes, great. Or it could be for longer. The default is 7 minutes. You can go up to 10, depending on the content, sorry, of your topic, and how much time you have. You could also do it by how many questions, the certain amount of questions that you want them to answer. So if you want them to answer 25 questions, that's it, however long it takes them. I usually used it as a review for grammar or math, usually like multiplication, facts, division, decimals. For grammar, I did grammar every week. And either on Wednesday or Thursday, I would do this Blue and it would tell me if the students were understanding um, the grammar or if I needed to do a reteach before my assessment on Fridays, because I always had assessments on Fridays. It was great because it showed me, where the students were at or which ones needed more like a reteach and which ones didn't. So I think this tool is great for formative assessment or just like a check-in, and sometimes just for fun, to build community, team building. So sometimes as a reward, I would ask them like, "What do you want to do?" And they were like, "Oh, let's play a Blue Git." And also some of those games they play as teams, so that would be good for team building. They play together to kind of win over the other guys of the other team. Um, but like I said, it was really fun. It is a cool website. Students really enjoy it, and I hope you have a chance to try it out. And that's the end of my digital portfolio. Thank you.